Careful not to lose this. It should be straightforward enough, I think. Hey everyone, it's Stu from Hailing Frequencies, back with Grabthar's Toolbox, a repair video where we attempt to make some repairs to various items. Now I was just about to start doing a video on my suitcase when my Ratchet screwdriver popped out its own, careful not to lose this, but it popped out its ball bearing. Can you see there? So from one repair video straight to another, I'm going to see if I can strip this down and repair it. Right, so hopefully you'll be able to see what it is I'm doing. Now I've never taken apart or tried to repair one of these before ever, so this will be a first for me, and as such it should not be taken as a how-to video, just purely for entertainment value. Nothing more, nothing less. So I'm thinking first that what I need to do is remove this collar, which is spring clipped on there, pop the ball bearing back in its space and put the clip back over the ball bearing. It should be straightforward enough, I think. Let's give it a go. If you see me doing anything horrendously wrong as I'm doing this, which I probably will, feel free to mention it in the comments and yell at me. Not that I'll hear yet, because the comments won't come until later, but you'll get the satisfaction of telling me how I'm doing it wrong. Now, remember I said I've never done one of these before. There we go, hopefully. There we go, collar's off, yes, and there's a hole for the ball bearing. Do you know what, I'm just going to change my glasses because this is a bit detailed work for my distance glasses. Right, so I'm going to need to be very steady-handed with this. I'm going to have to be extremely careful. Now I didn't take a note which way up it went. I don't know if that matters, but if I could get that over. There we go. So there we go. So the ball bearing is back in place. Let's give it the proper try, because the idea of the ball bearing is to put pressure on any bits that you place in. So yeah, job's a good one. That is a successful repair. Fantastic. Of course I could have just got a different screwdriver. I do have other screwdrivers anyway. I mean, straight away in my toolbox I could have used this one for the suitcase, but I just thought that might be a fun little one just to do quickly. I'm very pleased with that. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to the suitcase like I was planning to do, and yeah, I'll post this as a separate little video. Why not indeed? Hope that was fun for you to watch and brief. Take care for now.